Mega Man has upgraded. Metro 3.0. His game level is next level. Here's his Mega Man Metro Cannon. The form for this form of Mega Man is mmkb. I don't know why his name is Metro Man mmkb, but that's the name of the game. The new games that have been released for the past couple of years. Past years that I don't really know of. He's on a mission to stop Dr. Doppler's evil plan to rule the universe or something. His father's still striving for peace. Nobody can defeat the might that is Mega Man. This one's for my boss. I'll never forget the sound seller. There. There he is. That's how you draw Mega Man mmkb. Boss, if you're watching this, just know I miss you, and I hope you enjoyed this episode. Mega Man is continuing to evolve, and it's never gonna stop. I can't wait to see the next video game. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.